Okay, boys and girls, we are going to test the super night mode on DJI Osmo Nano. Where are we going? Barsha, Starbucks. Oh, it's broken already. Okay, I have this suction cup. We can go left from here. I'm still not sure about right one way or two way. Oh, I have sunroof nalang. Wow, Boboka. By the way, I have this camera on this suction cup that comes with this package, and also it has a magnet bracelet. Oh, I need to remove this. Let's see if I have to. Maybe they will not let me go. Still, they don't let me go out because their systems are not working proper. I don't know what's their problem. Hello? Yes, hello. Yeah, boss. This car is under. I'm not able to go out. Thank you. What's your lights are so high all the way up? What's this? Go, Kuya, go. Go, gadget. I'm using DJI Mic 2 with this. No internal recording, only the recording straight to the camera. And I have this second part of it, the dock detached here charging. It is only 10% charge. Also at night, this is super night mode. High bit rate and always give way to my brothers and sisters. Bro is tired of playing basketball 24/7. High bit rate, and it has also, what do you call, standard colors. You cannot go 10 bit or something, only standard ones. And at night it's still okay if you are mounting it somewhere and using it like this. I saw the preview a while ago when okay, one more thing, when you connect the microphone you lose the display on the, what do you call this, the dock, the display dock, that is separated also, so it's like that. Also the battery life is actually not that good on this, because I got maybe 1 hour, then I have to connect, deconnect, detach again to charge the smaller part. But it's good if you mounting it somewhere and using it for long times. Its mounting is so easy, it's very lightweight. Few grams, any mount is a good mount for this. My boy, Civic. Here the Filipino people have these Civics very much modified. Good rims, spoilers, extenders, whatever you call that. I see Kuya with the Apple sticker on the back. That means he has Apple products with him. He bought it or got as a gift, because gifting is a big part of Filipino lifestyle. So that's that. This mount I have for my phone, it will stick on flat surfaces only, glass mostly. But this is just 15 dirham. I bought it few months ago. I knew that I was gonna be using it in a car in few months. No, it's a joke. I just bought it because at home on the fridge I stick it sometime, or in the mirror in the washroom. I watch stuff and then I shave my head. That's why I bought it. But now in the car you can use it anywhere on the all the mirrors anywhere you want. That's good. 15 dirham, cheap stuff. Then the mount came with this camera. You can actually use this mount for this also, or 1/4 inches of the screw. I have a phone mount that goes onto that, screw onto that you can use that also. So it's so much solutions for one problem nowadays. We are on the highway, Barsha, Al Khail Road. This is Al Khail Highway. He's on my tail. This truck guy, because I don't want to go out. He's just right on the back of my light. Al Khail Road. I need to switch the camera that way, but I will not do it. This way is better. Somebody's bringing their Mercedes on a truck. I'm trying this. How long it will record? This was 100%. The camera was 100%. The dock was 10%. Some people here, they are in a hurry, but you know, there is a lane that is 120. That is top on the left. That's the fastest lane. And then they will go down here on the very right where you can go slow and the trucks go. Then they will try to, cross you. Scheme? I'll go scheme?
No, it says here.
No, but I can go here. Hassa is straight, that will go exit and then car park. I'm hungry. Today I only ate breakfast, paratha. So bikes, you can see bikes very clear. So very careful with the bikes here. Oh. See, the guy was right behind the car. How much is fuel? Fuel is still full. Why? I need another suction cup to point it out better. We took the wrong turn. No, it's okay, because I'll go on the main road, then I will go in. That's how it is. One wrong turn will add up 20 minutes. No, I correct. Nalang is correct. Last time I went in the hospital, remember? Correct. Good job, my boy.
Here. the drive-through entrance. Then turn, go left.
Wait na lang.
I'm
My
telling
God,
you.
my instruction. It's like I'm in a rally race or something.
Because you're done.
Take right, take left, take right. This one, two.
Yeah.
I'm still very not good with the parking. What happened? Correct na lang.
Watch your video and you're still not visiting her.
Wow, perfect. What happened? That's it?
Yan pa, layo-layo.
The fuck?
Why you don't use this camera?
I'm used to the mirrors, not the camera. Cameras are for...
Yeah, I mean this, but the back.
Let me show you the mount. Oh, look at this mount. Perfect. Let me show you the mount. Look at this mount here. It's the perfect mount. You get the phone out. It's there. Here. It's there. The phone back on. Get it out. It's not with your mirror. It's on far. Then you get this out. You can hang it up here. This is the mount I'm talking about. Let's go inside and get a coffee.